Imagine making over $68,000 on Fiverr without any prior experience. Sounds too good to be true? Stick around because today I'm revealing how you can do exactly that by selling SEO services using ChatGPT. And best of all, you don't need any expertise to get started. Let's dive in and discover how you can start earning big right now. SEO services are one of the hottest gigs on Fiverr, and for a good reason. With over 51 million YouTube channels, creators are constantly seeking ways to boost their visibility and reach more viewers. That's where you can come in. SEO or search engine optimization is vital for improving a video's visibility on YouTube. By optimizing titles, descriptions and tags, you help videos rank higher, attracting more viewers. Check out this gig on Fiverr. This seller has over 3,392 positive reviews. Now let's say each review was a sale of $25, which falls on the lower end. Then we can say 3,392 positive reviews times $25, which equals a staggering $84,800 worth of sales. With millions of videos uploaded daily on YouTube, SEO is what helps creators stand out. Now imagine offering this valuable service yourself on Fiverr and getting paid for it. Here's where ChatGPT steps in. This AI tool can streamline your SEO services, making the process faster and more efficient. You don't need to be an expert, just let ChatGPT handle the heavy lifting. ChatGPT can generate keyword-rich titles, compelling descriptions and optimized tags in seconds. This means you can deliver top-quality SEO services quickly and reliably. For example, if a client needs an optimized description for their tech video on their latest Apple Watch, simply input the details into ChatGPT, type in this special prompt right here, and within seconds, you have a professionally written, SEO-friendly description ready to go. Plus, ChatGPT can also help with keyword research. Input relevant terms and you'll get a list of high-performing keywords to include in the video metadata, significantly boosting visibility. Now let's go through this step by step. Next, let's set up your Fiverr gig to start attracting clients. Choose a clear and enticing gig title like SEO Expert, Optimization for YouTube Videos, Channel Growth Manager. Create a detailed description explaining your services, the benefits, and how the SEO will enhance their videos with organic views. Add examples of your work and set competitive pricing. Start lower to attract your first clients and build up reviews. As you gain more positive feedback, you can gradually increase your prices. When you receive your first order, ask your client to add you as a manager for their YouTube channel to access their content. Next, use a YouTube script extractor to copy their video URL's first paragraph into ChatGPT. This should be enough to tell ChatGPT exactly what the video is about. Ask ChatGPT to provide an optimized title based on the pasted paragraph using this special prompt. Generate 5 optimized titles for my YouTube video based on this pasted paragraph above. Then request an SEO-friendly video description with keywords from the same content. Finally, ask ChatGPT for keyword-rich tags. With all these outputs, you can now copy and paste them into the client's video description, ready for delivery. Always communicate clearly with your clients, understand their needs, and use ChatGPT to provide tailored SEO solutions. This ensures happy clients and positive reviews, which are vital for your Fiverr success. Pro tip: offer additional services like SEO audits or competitor analysis to stand out and provide more value to your clients. This will ensure you get more positive reviews and rank higher in Fiverr's search listing, which will help drive sales. To create a competitive analysis table, open ChatGPT and type the following prompt. 5. Find YouTube creators on tech reviews and generate a table with their name, description, and website link. Copy and paste this information directly for your client. Keep your response times quick. Fiverr tracks how fast you respond to inquiries, and quick responses can boost your ranking. Encourage satisfied clients to leave positive reviews. These reviews build your credibility and attract more clients. Keep learning and stay up to date with the latest SEO trends to make sure your service stays valuable. But don't stop there. Think about using these skills in other profitable online businesses. Want to know what they are? Check out my next video where I'll talk about the 5 most profitable businesses online. Click here to find out how you can start earning more with these opportunities. And there you have it, a simple yet powerful way to make money on Fiverr by offering SEO services using ChatGPT. Start setting up your gig today and watch as you help YouTube creators boost their channel growth while earning a steady income. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe for more tips on making money online. See you in the next video.